surrounded by unworldly place with no one around us. Camping is a bit scary, feeling a group of horse-riding Hopi Indian is show up on the hillside or something is appear around corners of hoodoo, or feeling that hoodoo itself is going to turn to be some figure. Some beautiful red flowers on the plain waving for us to show off their beauty. Red rocks on the top of the pillars just like to be rolled down on the cliffside, or feeling like some eerie creature hiding in the cavities of rock. It is a part of Blue Canyon located on the northern Arizona. Come and see it yourself, find jaw-dropping nature, carved rocks or clay, and stroll around the untamed nature. It reminds me of Goblin Valley State Park near Hanksville, Utah. There is no tree to give you a shade from scorching sunny day. Come while weather is cooler. We went there May this year, but we pushed back for editing. Some life events prevent us to do so earlier. We drove Indian Route 6660, branched out from the south on SR 264. The canyon features surreal red and white striped hoodoos, spires, and balanced rocks that look like nature's abstract sculptures. Some formations appear to be melting or dipped in coppery orange, while others are etched with creamy white patterns that seem hand-drawn, but they're all naturally formed. Closest town is Tuba City, which is about 27 miles west and serves as the nearest base for lodging and supplies. Since I mentioned Tuba City, there is uranium disposal site near the city. When you drive on Navajo Trail, which is SR 160, you can find this scary uranium disposal site. If you come from the south, Winslow may be the last place for camping resupply. If you're drawn to serene landscapes and spiritual reflection, Blue Canyon might feel like a dreamscape come to life. If you have some off-road capable vehicle, I highly recommend this place to visit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure. Beyond the reach of paved desire, where silence holds the red earth's fire, the hoodoos rise with graceful flare, painted dreams in desert air. No trees to shade, no crowds to hear, just winds own him to what is near. Figures seem to peer from stone, faces shaped, yet all unknown. A Hopi tale beneath each spire, a whispered myth, a quiet choir. Come when skies are cool and wide, let stars above your steps preside. Here the world forgets to speak, and nature kneels in colors unique.